But I did put a little bit of dirt over top of it, some container mix, you know, and kept it wet. And there you go, bunch of basil. Endless supply. Hey y'all, I tried an experiment. This is the easiest way to save basil seed. Simple. That is the top. Caught up on my shirt. That's the top of a basil from last summer. I let it dry out in the pot and I ripped it out. You can still see the root on that one. And I stuck it right here in this ditch. This is behind some lemon balm that I put in there years ago. Dug that out and moved it over there into that ditch. And I let this dry out. And then I took a little piece, and probably a foot by a foot and a half, just scraped the grass off, made a little rectangle, just straight bare dirt. I didn't amend it whatsoever. And I took these and just rubbed them off, and late February, March. And there you go. Basil. This is a Lydia basil. You do see a red one. That's a red Reuben. The only one. That's kind of cool. But anyway, it's as simple as that. If you're growing basil this year, just let it dry out. Hang outside over the winter. You don't have to take the seed. You can still see a little bit right there. Just rub that stuff off. Three, two, one.